Hi everyone, I'm David. Welcome to Asian Hospital and Healthcare Management. Here, we will discover the newest breakthroughs in hospital technologies, digital health, clinical excellence, and patient care innovation. Whether you're running a hospital, leading a care team, working with medical technology, or shaping healthcare strategy, you'll always find something that helps you stay ahead. Want more? Subscribe today at www.asianhm.com/subscribe and get the latest updates straight to you, anytime, anywhere.
Hi everyone, today we are joined as Dr. K. Nishitha Reddy, Quality Executive, Medicity Hospital, and she will speak about how bridging the gap between administration and clinical teams can lead to better healthcare outcomes.
Hi everyone, it's great to be here. I'm Dr. K. Nishitha Reddy, Quality Executive at Medicity Hospital. Today, we'll be exploring how bridging the gap between administration, clinical teams can lead to better healthcare outcomes, why collaboration matters, how it can improve patient care and operational efficiency, and how it drives continuous improvement across the hospital. Effective collaboration between hospital administration and clinical teams is vital for delivering high-quality healthcare. This will investigate the common disconnects arising from communication gaps, role misalignment, and unilateral decision-making. It proposes actionable strategies including shared governance, leadership integration, and digital innovation to create synergy. Strengthening this bridge between operational and clinical domains can enhance patient outcomes, reduce inefficiencies, and elevate healthcare standards. Modern hospitals function as complex ecosystems, encompassing both administrative structures and clinical services. These two domains, while interdependent, often operate in silos. Administrative teams manage operations, compliance, finances, and resource allocation, while clinical teams focus on direct patient care. This divergence in roles and priorities frequently results in miscommunication, conflict, or inefficiency. In the absence of coordinated efforts, patient outcomes can be adversely affected, and organizational goals may fall short. For hospitals to thrive in an increasingly competitive and quality-focused healthcare landscape, fostering collaboration between these two essential pillars is imperative. Identifying the gap. The disconnect between hospital administrators and clinicians is multifaceted. At the core lies a difference in perspective. Administrators are generally focused on policy implementation, operational efficiency, and financial sustainability, whereas clinicians prioritize individual patient well-being and clinical judgment. These varying priorities often result in misaligned objectives. Communication challenges are another contributor. Administrative directives are frequently communicated through hierarchical channels, with little room for feedback from the clinical front lines. This one-way communication undermines trust and transparency. Clinicians may feel alienated or excluded from decisions that directly impact their work environment, such as changes in workflow, procurement of equipment, or patient handling protocols. Another area of conflict arises from workload imbalance. Clinicians often report being overburdened by administrative requirements, such as excessive documentation or compliance checks, which may be perceived as hindrances rather than support mechanisms. Furthermore, when clinicians are not actively involved in hospital planning or technological upgrades, they may resist change due to a lack of ownership or understanding. The absence of interdisciplinary planning further complicates efforts to create a unified hospital culture, making the gap wider. Bridging the divide. Closing the gap between administration and clinical care requires deliberate strategies rooted in inclusiveness, empathy, and systems thinking. A fundamental step involves creating interdisciplinary committees that include both administrators and clinical staff. These teams can serve as a platform for shared decision-making, policy discussions, and problem solving. When both sides engage in regular dialogue, mutual respect builds, and stakeholders gain a better understanding of each other's challenges. Clear and transparent communication is essential in this process. Regular meetings and collaborative tools such as internal messaging platforms, hospital dashboard, or notice boards help ensure that relevant updates and decisions are accessible to all. This transparency reduces confusion, aligns priorities, and creates accountability. Moreover, aligning financial and clinical goals is crucial to avoid situations where cost-saving measures compromise patient safety. For instance, when clinicians are involved in budget planning, they can identify practical cost reduction strategies without affecting treatment outcomes. At the same time, administrators can gain insight into areas where clinical investments are non-negotiable. Technology can be a powerful enabler in bridging this divide. The use of electronic medical records, automated dashboards, and hospital management system allows both clinical and administrative teams to access the same data in real time. This unified information flow streamlines workflows, enhances efficiency, and reduces duplication. When clinicians can instantly view scheduling changes or inventory updates, and administrators can monitor patient throughput or clinical workload, coordination becomes much easier. An often overlooked area in this conversation is staff well-being. Burnout, particularly among frontline healthcare workers, is a growing concern. Hospitals must invest in support systems such as medical scribes, administrative assistants, or counselors to alleviate the pressure on clinicians. Providing flexible work schedules, ongoing training, and emotional support can greatly improve morale and promote collaboration. When healthcare workers feel valued and supported, they are more likely to participate actively in institutional improvement efforts. Real-world examples. Globally, several institutions have successfully integrated clinical and administrative leadership to create efficient healthcare ecosystems. The Mayo Clinic in the United States has long operated under a dual leadership model, where each clinical department is jointly managed by a physician and an administrator. This approach promotes a balance between clinical excellence and operational oversight, ensuring that neither side dominates decision-making. In India, Apollo Hospitals has made significant strides in digital transformation by implementing artificial intelligence and decision support tools. They have enhanced coordination between clinical and support departments. Real-time data sharing enables proactive decision-making, improving both clinical outcomes and operational efficiency. The National Health Service in the United Kingdom also provides a strong example of collaborative management by involving doctors and nurses in administrative planning and policy development. NHS hospitals have fostered a culture of shared ownership. This inclusion has resulted in smoother transitions during policy shifts and technological upgrades. As clinicians are more receptive to changes they helped shape, Challenges in implementation. Despite these promising developments, several challenges can hinder the integration of administrative and clinical teams. Resistance to change remains a persistent issue. Healthcare professionals, like many others, often prefer familiar routine and may view new systems or processes as unnecessary disruptions. Changing this mindset requires consistent communication, education, and demonstration of value. Financial limitations are another significant barrier. Implementing new technologies, hiring support staff, or offering extensive training programs requires investment. In resource-constrained hospitals, these expenditures may not be prioritized, especially when the benefits are long-term rather than immediate. Government regulations can also slow down reform. Compliance with statutory norms may limit the speed and scope of collaborative projects, requiring careful navigation of legal and institutional boundaries. Additionally, a lack of leadership training can restrict progress. Clinicians are rarely trained in management, and administrators may lack clinical insight. This gap can result in miscommunication, unrealistic expectations, and ineffective problem solving. Developing interdisciplinary leadership competencies through training programs and workshops is therefore essential for sustainable change. Future outlook. As healthcare systems worldwide adapt to increasing patient demands, evolving diseases, and constrained resources, the need for unified hospital leadership becomes even more pressing. The integration of artificial intelligence, predictive analytics, and cloud-based platforms offers exciting prospects for improving collaboration. These tools enable proactive care planning, track real-time performance indicators, and optimize resource utilization. In addition to technological advancement, educational reform is vital. Medical and nursing curricula should introduce concepts of healthcare management, while management courses should include clinical exposure. Such cross-disciplinary education can produce professionals who are comfortable navigating both administrative and clinical landscapes. Hospitals must also adopt performance indicators that reflect common goals. Metrics such as patient satisfaction, reduced waiting times, staff retention, and clinical outcomes can serve as shared benchmarks of success. Aligning evaluation systems ensures that teams are not working at cross purposes, but are instead striving toward a unified vision of healthcare excellence. Cultivating a hospital culture that values teamwork, openness, and innovation is the final and perhaps most important step. Senior leadership must lead by example, demonstrating commitment to inclusiveness and trust. By creating an environment where each professional feels respected, empowered, and heard, hospitals can build resilient systems capable of facing future challenges with confidence. Thank you, Asian Hospital and Healthcare Management, for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Dr. K. Nishitha Reddy, for sharing your expertise on bridging the gap between administration and clinical teams for better healthcare outcomes. We truly appreciate you highlighting practical ways to connect these teams and create a more cohesive healthcare environment. More great conversations and expert voices are coming soon. Stay tuned, and until next time, take care everyone.